Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Alaka from Code Learning Academy. This is a channel where we teach you about website development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, database, and much more. So in this course, we are going to design a fully responsive food ordering website using HTML, CSS, and a little bit JavaScript. Before directly dive right into the design part, let me show you the features of this website that we are going to design right now in this course. And then at the beginning, you can decide whether to watch this video or not to watch. It's the choice is up to you. If you have an interest to develop and to master the front facing of any food ordering website just like this is the right course for you. So here is the home section for this responsible food ordering website, and over here we have a logo on the left and we have a navigation menu right here. So here we have the home section. In the home section, you have a header text right here and a nice call to action button right here. And also we have a linear gradient background image. The best part is we have 4 background images as you see here. These background images animate every second. This is a cool trick that I will show you in this course. So I will show you exactly how you can create this animated background image just like this one. Here we have another section right here, and here we have a read more button right here just like this one. And when you come to this is our order your favorite food, right? As you see here, this is the favorite food that we deliver to our customer, and you see it has a nice animation just like this one and a nice order now button right here. And again, here is it. And also this is, you can download our application on Google or Play Store or whatever you want. This is the steps that we are going to build just like this one. And then again, here is the special award chip. It is amazing, right? It's amazing. You see, it is nice looking background image with fixed position, and here is the name of the chief, and here is just like this one. It's amazing, interesting, right? You see, and here is the latest blog section right here. You see, here you have a read more button, and now when you drag a little bit down, you see choose the best plan for you. You see, this is the starter plan, the basic plan, and enterprise plan right here. So again, we have a nice hover over effect right here. We have just added a nice hover over effect just like this one. It is very beautiful. It's very amazing and beautiful. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can create such a nice pricing plus section just like this. You see? Okay, again, when we drag a little bit down, we have find the contact section. You see, this is a fixed background image right here, and you see a call to action button. When you click on this name, and you see a hover over effect, when we hover over or when we click on this name right here, you will find just like this. And when you click on email button right here, you will find just like this one, and you can select this from here. This is amazing, right? And here is a newsletter, and you can tick or you can untick. By default it was checked, right? So you can uncheck it or you can check it, and it is a drop as a line, or you can put your comment right here. And now we have a nice submit button right here. This is also amazing, and having a nice background color right here, which is very interesting. And now when we drag a little bit, we find that our contact section right here. Here we have our contact section, and here we have the place that our company is fine. This is the Google map, and then we have just integrated the Google map right here that indicates where our food ordering website is found, right? You see, here is it. So you can minimize and you can find where this company is found, so you can detect the exact location for our website, just like this one. No matter, I'm going to show you exactly how you can integrate the Google map to your website. This is amazing. And now when we drag it down, we have reached the footer section right here. Here is the footer section, and here is the website footer section. It is responsible for any device. So when you come to this is the quick link, and here is also the link. That's nice, right? Okay, the payment option, and here is the social media button right here. So as a web developer, what do you feel about this website? Do you have an interest to build such kind of an amazing, fully responsible food ordering website, but don't know where to start? This is the right course for you. I'm going to show you everything you need to know from start to finish, from zero to hero, in order to develop such kind of beautiful food ordering website just like this one. The only thing expected from you is to devote your time. I'm going to show you everything from start, how to start from the basics of website development, how to set up the folder structure, and how to integrate each folder, and then you can be able to develop your own food ordering website just like this one using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is it. If this sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be notified when I come out a daily programming training video just like this one. With that being said, now let's dive right into the first section for this development project.